The price of success. Work is the price we pay for success. If you're not willing to pay the price, don't expect to reap the rewards. Most people are not willing to pay the price. They would rather stay comfortable in their comfort zone, even if it means never reaching their full potential. But if you're willing to pay the price, you can achieve anything. You can be rich, successful, and fulfilled. But you will have to work hard. You will have to sacrifice your time, your energy, and your comfort zone. You will have to be willing to face challenges and adversity. But if you're willing to pay the price, you can have anything you've ever dreamed of. The path to success is not easy. The path to success is full of obstacles. You will have to face challenges that will make you doubt yourself. You will have to overcome adversity that will make you want to give up. But if you're willing to pay the price, you will be able to overcome any obstacle. Success is a journey, not a destination. Success is not something you achieve overnight. It is a journey that lasts a lifetime. You will have to work hard every day to maintain success. But if you're willing to pay the price, you will reap the rewards of your hard work for many years to come. Success is a choice. Success is a choice. You can choose to stay comfortable in your comfort zone and never reach your full potential. Or you can choose to work hard and achieve the success you've always dreamed of. The choice is yours. What will you do? Will you choose the easy path? Or will you choose the difficult, but rewarding path? The choice is yours. But I know what you will do. I know you will choose the difficult path. I know you are willing to pay the price for success. I know you will achieve your dreams. I believe in you. I believe in you because you are different. You are not like most people. You are willing to work hard for what you want. You are willing to face challenges and adversity. You are willing to pay the price for success. So go out there and conquer the world. You deserve success. You are strong. You are capable. You are a winner. I believe in you. Success is not easy, but it is possible. If you're willing to pay the price, you can achieve anything. So go out there and conquer the world.